You know what the world does with people who fix problems before they break? It forgets them. For years, we've been the backbone of healthcare. Not the face, not the brand, but the reason the system works at all. In the U.S. News Best Job Rankings, they call us medical equipment repairers. But at hospitals, labs, and life-critical systems, we are healthcare technology management professionals. We don't just fix machines, we protect uptime. We power care. And for decades, we did it unnoticed until now. From number 60 in 2021 to number 22 in 2025 on the U.S. News Best Jobs list. 5 years ago, we weren't even ranked. Not top 50, not top 100. We didn't just rise in the ranks. We broke into a system that never saw us coming. We're now number 1 in maintenance and job repairs, 5 years strong. That's not a promotion, that's a breakthrough. That's what happens when purpose meets precision, when discipline creates demand. And if you're still not sure who we are, you're the one who walks into chaos and leaves behind function. The patient never knew your name, but they got to go home because of you. At Elevate HTM, we're not waiting for permission. We're building pipelines. We're shifting the culture. We're raising the standard. The spotlight's finally here, but we didn't wait for it. We earned it.